Monoprice DynamicView Ultra 8K High Speed HDMI Cable, 48 gigabits per second, 8K, Dynamic HDR, eARC. DynamicView Ultra 8K High Speed HDMI cables are the next generation of HDMI cables. Supporting resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz and 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, this future-proofed cable just might be the last HDMI cable you'll ever need. DynamicView Ultra 8K enables 8K and 4K with higher refresh, meaning sharper high-speed content. DynamicView supports Dynamic HDR, meaning content will be able to take advantage of HDR's expanded contrast ranges, brightness levels, and heightened levels of detail, optimized on a scene-by-scene or even a frame-by-frame basis. Supports extended CEC, consumer electronics control, commands and functions, the HDMI Ethernet Channel, and the eARC, enhanced audio return channel, features. Supports AMD FreeSync on PlayStation 4 Pro and Xbox One X. Supports all HDMI resolutions up to 10K, including 3D and multi-view video. Supports Dynamic HDR, high dynamic range, for brighter, deeper, and more lifelike colors. Supports SAW CD, DVD audio, DTS HD Master Audio, Dolby True HD, and other high-definition audio standards. Top reviews from the United States. Great price and great cable. The cable quality is top-notch. I wish I would have bought these in the first place. I had overpaid in the past on overhyped cables. Monoprice will now be my go-to HDMI cable option.